is Tapan Patel. I work as a product marketing manager for SAS Institute. Organizations are having a variety of different types of data. They have been collecting data from their transactionals, operations. Location data is another element which is gaining more and more importance, whether it is your vehicle, whether it is your asset, whether it is your customer, whether it is your store. All of those entities give you location data. So combining that location data with other types of data adds a lot more value to your analysis. So whether you are asking questions around what, how, when, why, you can now add the element of where, so that it gives you that power to analyze your data in a much more complete kind of a picture. Whether you are interested in setting up new services for your local city government, or whether you are trying to build a new hospital from a healthcare organization perspective, or whether you are trying to determine the location of a store, all of that use cases needs location data. So that is where we are seeing organizations asking for more integration or bringing in location data into our tools and software. So that's one way to look at it. The other way to look at it is that whether an organization is procuring, whether the organization is manufacturing, whether their organization is servicing, whether their organization is distributing their products and services, all of that has a location element to it. So more and more location data is becoming more important, and more it is becoming more dynamic. So for example, location data coming in from mobile devices, from your IoT data, from your sensor data, from your devices, how can that location data be included in your analysis so that it is not just a static analysis, but you can do analysis over time? So that's where organizations are asking us or demanding more and more, adding location data into our tools like SAS Visual Analytics. Location data is an important element for every organization. Organizations collect a variety of different data: transactional data, operational data, customer data. Combining that location data with all of the other types of data adds the additional value. It brings the where element to the how, why, what type of questions. So for example, if an organization is procuring, purchasing, producing, selling, distributing items, services, location element is tagged to all of those elements within that supply chain, for example. Combining that location data with analytics helps to discover new elements, helps answer new types of questions. So it brings that where element to your business questions. It also adds value in terms of identifying new customer segments, in identifying where should I put my resources, in identifying where should I assign more people resources, for example. It also adds value in terms of bringing the transactional data and operational data with the location data. So you can do a lot more analysis by combining that location data. SAS Visual Analytics is our flagship offering. It is the offering for doing traditional business intelligence and reporting. It is the offering for doing data exploration and visualization. And it also does approachable analytics or self-service analytics. So whether you want to have to answer questions like what has happened, to why something has happened and what will happen next, all of that questions could be answered in SAS Visual Analytics.